You know, in this world there are plenty of ways to make a living, but I chose to become a professional chainsaw carver. There can be a lot of limiting factors into getting started with chainsaw carving. Some of them include lack of tools, voids in the wood. Others include a situation where you don't have the resources to get started. This can be one of the most challenging ways to make a living, but I do it every day. Each new episode I will be doing a chainsaw carving on a very large scale. It takes planning, effort, and nerves of steel. And this is Tree Personalities. Welcome to Tree Personalities. My name is Jordan Anderson. I've been a professional chainsaw carver for over 13 years. Today I'm going to get started on this huge sculpture. It's a big moose. I did one over in Norway. There was kind of some limiting factors there, but I was really pleased with the finished product. But I was excited to get back home because right now I'm going to get started on this huge piece of red cedar from Southeast Alaska. It's really exciting stuff. I'm going to basically use this ladder as a guide for my Alaska mill. So an Alaska mill is a mill that attaches to a long bar on a chainsaw. So I'll use that to slab off the main portions of this log. So the top's going to come off, the bottom's going to come off, and then maybe one of the sides to get started. And then after I do that, I'm going to set this up on a block, and then I'm going to do the head all the way to the butt portion of the moose. So it's about 9 foot long, give or take, on a big bull. So that's how I'm going to get started with this piece. I hope you like it. Let's go. Right now I'm at a point where I'm done with most of the furring on the body portion of this moose. So I'm going to get started with the leg portions of the piece, which I have to go grab another piece of red cedar for this. And I need to take off the sides of that piece of wood and then mark out the legs where they need to go. Make sure the top is level so it fits together nice and flat and perfect. So that's what I want to do there. I'm going to have to bring this thing inside a little later on probably to warm it up, and then use some epoxy resin to finalize the fusion of the base to this body of the moose here. And then after that, of course, goes on the antlers.